For hours me give her, me make she feel like she can't take it no more. On a minutes me give her, me slide it in, walk her till the something sore. For hours me make she feel the pain, make she feel like say she crushing her plane every minute. She wet up herself like a rain. My girl, ice up your foot like a crane. Me give her the thing when no miss when me aim. She get 4 hour water cocky with the vein. She use the pillar, hide her face like she shame. She say me sex long like a subway train. What? No, the general, the 10-star one I represent. Here what me a send a man, big bad song life giver, where Vybz Kartel drop. Me not hear men and people go like them want promote it, but here me the Gaza Nation, big up all of the nice and decent, sophisticated mama them. Likewise the dads them, who put in the work. Here's where me I deal with, for the thing becomes a success. Me not talk about sperms donor, you know, nor carrier. Me I talk about the real authentic fathers and mother who nurture and make sure things come to perfection. Bless up 10-star, 10-star salute for you. When me there though, me there give you some water, hand sanitizer, card packer, you know the people them lock in and can't come out. You see what I deal with, so them can play some card pack them and them spouse and sanitizer water will give you a couple bag of popcorn, cause you have to show gratitude in it, not care in it. It's a must, so that the coffee say. You know what I mean? Say gratitude is a must. But me not say that even the artists them me see a run with the big bad song where the man drop. Them shouldn't hear that from Vybz Kartel. Because me notice if nothing bad happening, you know, that them want push out from the man, you know. Well, good thing I go on, me not hear nobody elaborate on it. But you don't know Gaza things staying and I like we need bandwagonists for sure nothing good what we're doing at dance hall, you know what I mean? Because the work still a carry on, you know, teacher deal with the thing. We don't watch people, you know. We don't stay like I do and them people that who watch other artists' career and all them stuff that are not put in the work for fee money, you know what I mean? We don't stay like them people that were trendsetter, you see me? We don't follow back of people. You see what I deal with? And we got big up busy signal, because busy signal are good, you busy signal bust. Underneath Vybz Kartel, vibes and him style and everything. When him find out say Vybz Kartel are the only artists who take on alliance and still stand up strong, you know what busy do? Take him career somewhere else. No competition. Don't try to watch Vybz Kartel. Don't try to be like Vybz Kartel. The man all evil left hardcore dancehall and gone over reggae. Go slam it up and build a name for himself. And that's why I'm international up to the day. You see me, I do and I don't. All him there do busy and watch Vybz Kartel career. And him is not Vybz Kartel. Then him claim say him want to do it like Baby Sham because him want the Sham control. He have platinum song. Baby Sham is a man who sell platinum, you know. Him can't able to do that, you know. Because him can't stop get work in America, you know. You have platinum song. Or the general, the 10-star one I represent. Watch. Gaza Nation.